In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in ChatGPT. Let's get started right from your computer or mobile device. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ChatGPT. This helps you reach the official site without typing in an address from memory. When the results appear, look for the official ChatGPT link from the trusted provider. Make sure the URL looks correct and secure before you continue. A quick glance at the address bar and the security lock icon can save you from landing on a lookalike page. Go ahead and click the correct link to open ChatGPT. If the page loads to a welcome screen, you're in the right place. Next, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, you'll move right into your workspace, and you can continue. If not, choose your usual sign-in method and complete any prompts. Keep your credentials private and enter them only on the official site. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the bottom left corner on desktop or in the top right corner in some views. Tap or click that profile area to open your account menu. This is where your account name and related options live, and it's the quickest path to updating what other people see as your display name. Inside the profile menu, select your current display name. When you click it, it should become editable. You'll see a text field appear, indicating that you can change it. This name is what appears on your account and may show up when you share chats or collaborate. So choose something clear and professional if you use ChatGPT for work, or something friendly and recognizable for personal use. Type your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Pay attention to capitalization and spelling, and consider keeping it concise so it looks clean in menus. Some special characters or emoji may not display the same everywhere, so if you prefer a polished look, stick with standard letters and spaces. When you're happy with it, click Save. The Save button confirms your change and applies it to your account. After saving, give the page a moment to update. If you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Your new display name should carry across sessions and devices when you sign in again. And that's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile in ChatGPT.